Welcome to MrClaff.com's review of geography, brought to you by Noble Review, concise review books. Geography involves the study of the Earth's physical features. Some of these features can be found on a physical map, which shows mountains, rivers, and other land formations. Civilizations develop near water. That's important to know. Water is needed for drinking, agriculture, and trade. That's why the earliest civilization developed in Mesopotamia. The Fertile Crescent was found between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Complex civilizations such as Sumer and Babylon developed there. The Sumerians gave us cuneiform writing, and in Babylon, King Hammurabi's code was a complex legal system. None of this would be possible if not for the settlement near water. Regarding water, the Ganges and Indus rivers were important to India. The Indus River Valley led to the creation of complex cities such as Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. India's climate also depended on monsoons, or great seasonal winds which brought the rain necessary for agriculture. Remember, I dig. India, the Deccan Plateau, Indus, and Ganges. In China, civilizations developed between the Yangtze in the south and the Huanghe or Yellow River in the north. For centuries, powerful dynasties, or chains of family rule, developed along these rivers. Japan controls a chain of islands known as an archipelago. Island geography allowed Japan to isolate itself from the rest of the world for many years. Though island geography protected them from the Mongol Empire, it kept Japan technologically backwards into the 19th century. England is also an island and was home to the Industrial Revolution. England has plentiful natural resources such as coal and natural harbors. The Industrial Revolution spread to the rest of Europe and eventually to the entire world. England's island geography isolated them from attacks from both Napoleon and Hitler. Greece developed as a peninsula and as a series of islands, but also mountains had a great impact on their culture, as mountains isolated each polis of Greece. Therefore, unique Greek cultures emerged in between the mountains, in places such as Athens and Sparta. Africa has very diverse climate zones. Most pronounced is the Sahara Desert, which is the world's largest. It has been expanding southward to a region called the Sahel. When grassy regions dry up, it's called desertification. Also in Africa is the savanna, or grassy plains, a rainforest, and both a steppe and Mediterranean climate zone. Sometimes people alter their geography. The Incas were known to use terrace farming, which allowed them to farm on the hilly terrain of South America. The Suez Canal was a man-made creation which linked the Red Sea to the Mediterranean. Today, the Earth is battling certain geographical issues. Deforestation threatens to wipe out trees, notably in the Amazon. Deserts are expanding, the ozone layer has been depleting, and temperatures have been increasing in what scientists call climate change. For a Social Studs video on geography, click here. For more review, you can get free flashcards and review sheets at MrClaff.com. We also invite you to check out Noble Review in both paperback and ebook formats. Best of luck on your tests.